Hello there. So today I'm going to talk to you about tapeworms. So that's another of the four big worms that we see in cats and dogs, and this is actually the one that more people visually see. So we get a lot of calls about people saying that they're seeing worms on their pet. They look like little grains of rice that are on their butt or that are trying to crawl out of their butt. Those are usually tapeworms. So your cats and dogs are going to typically get tapeworms from eating infected fleas. That's where the life cycle starts. Is the tapeworm is inside the flea, the animal eats the flea. 3 weeks later, the tapeworm develops from that eaten flea and it'll come out of their backside. It can be a little bit of a challenge in some animals because you may see tapeworms, which you may not physically see the fleas, especially in cats because they love to groom off fleas. But you have to treat both whenever you have a tapeworm infection. You have to keep the fleas and the environment of the fleas under control and keep the tapeworms under control. Now, technically, to treat tapeworms, you only need one treatment, but a lot of clinics will do a second treatment 3 weeks later. And the purpose of that is the life cycle of the flea itself, or the tapeworm itself, is 3 weeks. So you're trying to catch it at the beginning and at the end, so that if there are any tapeworm eggs that have hatched after that first treatment, you kill them with the second one. I have seen a lot of people complain or state that their pet keeps getting tapeworm infections and that the tapeworm medication is not working. Realistically, if your pet tends to get reinfected with tapeworms, that means the fleas are not under control. So you need to keep your animal on a good flea prevention. I'll talk about fleas and flea prevention a little bit later when I get to ectoparasites, but I will note that a flea infestation typically takes 3 solid months to treat. So that's 3 months of treating the environment and treating all animals in the environment that can have fleas. So that's your cats, your dogs, your ferrets, your rabbits. That's everybody needs to be on flea prevention to get that under control. And the environment may be the house, it may be the blankets, it may be the yard. It depends on the animals. So doing just one flea dip or Capstar or whatever is not going to get a flea infestation under control and is not going to get tapeworms under control until you get that environment under control.